Alright guys, Drew here with Maltech ATV and Cycles. Today we're going to be installing the Fox Performance Series shocks on a Harley-Davidson touring model. And we're going to go over right now what you're going to need to do that. Of course you're going to need the shocks. Right there, we got the rebound adjustable touring series shocks. And you're going to need a 3/4 inch wrench. You're going to need a 3/4 inch socket, impact gun or ratchet, and a torque wrench. You're going to need your preload adjustment tool for adjusting the preload on your shocks to get your ride height set, and you're going to need a tape measure. And lastly, your installation manual. Alright guys, we're going to start on the left side here. We have already started on the right side. First we are going to take off the saddlebag, if your model is equipped with the saddlebag. Next we are going to take off the upper and lower mounting bolts for the stock shock. But we will need to lower the bike first. Stock shocks on this model are 12 inches extended length, and the new Fox shocks are 13, so we're going to have to raise this thing up to get the new shocks installed. Back up a little bit. There it is.
Offset wrench is beneficial down here so you don't damage the spring for the shocks that you're taking off or putting back on. Alright.
Okay, next we're going to install the Fox shock, and you want to make sure that the rebound adjuster is facing towards the rear of the motorcycle, and also you want to make sure that your preload adjustment is the same from shock to shock, from your left side to your right side, and your rebound adjuster is the same from your left hand to your right hand side. We've previously done this, so we're going to install them now. Now you have to raise the bike up.
Yep, we'll get zero clearance on this one. And the manual also states to use a dab of red Loctite on the upper mounting hardware, so we're going to grab that here in just a second. Right now, go ahead. Right there. Alright. Now, if you've ever worked with red Loctite before, which most of you probably have, it doesn't take a whole lot. So you just need a thin bead across the thread right there, and it'll spread itself out as you thread it in. Alright. And then you torque these to spec. There you have it. You just installed Fox Street Series Performance shocks.
Also, on another note, you want to make sure too to check to see if you're square from top to bottom, because Fox does send spacers with these shocks for different models. This particular model did not need the spacers. It fit perfectly in its configured form without the spacers. Next up, we'll show you guys how to do ride height.